Kingston is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. Hey, why can't I just simply talk? Must I sing? Am I in the musical? Today I'm coming at you with a That Nap Life video. I'm going to give y'all some protective styles. If you like me, you like the protective style with weave, whether it be braided hair or wig. Today is all about the wig. Let me just show y'all, okay? Y'all ready? I'm food checking in. Let go. This week I was inspired by the book of Hebrews chapter 12 verse 11. For the moment, all discipline seems not too pleasant but painful. Yet to those who have been trained by it, afterward it yields the peaceful fruit of righteousness. Amen.
Christmas is coming. Start sending your letters off to Santa.
Welcome back, Team Kings. I am about to give you several different looks that you can rock for Christmas. Because Christmas is coming up, right? It's this week. Well, these different looks, I'm going to use the popular headband wigs, 2 different textures. So let's get into it. Well, hello there, fresh face. Come through. I'm going to use the 2 popular textures that everybody uses, straight hair or curly hair. Coming up with these looks on the spot. So let's go. Style number 1. Let me first show you how I'm going to keep my hair underneath. I'm using this stocking cap that has that band because this comb right here can go underneath that band and keep it secure, which means it does not need to go into contour. I also have the drawstring for added security. So the first look, of course, is the standard look. Everybody slick their hair back, throw your headband wig on, and boom, you out the door. You got errands to run. You got meetings to do, okay? This is how it looks in the curly and in the straight. I like the straight on this one. She look cute. Look like somebody's housewife. What? Come on. Style number 2. I am going to take it from the low, and we're going to put it to the high. Boom. A bun. So I'm going to actually make this I don't know, for some reason when I see this hairstyle, I think Victorian. I don't know why. Is it the little tendrils I have going up in the front? I'm not sure. But I think Victorian, probably also because that jewel is inside of the headband. But yep, there's another look, the Victorian bun, if you will. Style number 3, we're going to keep the curly hair. I'm going to adjust where it starts at. So I moved it back, basically, using the comb and that string right there to secure it more, okay? I'm just showing you how secure it is. It ain't going nowhere. I'm going to do the twisted bun. The cute twisted bun, especially with the curly texture, is just so cute. All right, that string, if you do have one on yours, make sure you hide it into the bun, all right? I'm going to add a scarf to hide the band, the little weft right there. And boom, we have a cute twisted bun, y'all. If you into laying your edges, go ahead and add that feature, but you know, I don't be doing all that. Style number 4, we still going to do this curly texture, y'all. I'm going to keep the twist in here. I'm going to put the bun a little bit higher, and I'm going to add in a little front action, okay? The pompadour, cute. Cute. Style number 5, I'm going to play with the front a little bit more. Instead of it going backwards, I'm going to make it go forward and swoop across my face. Kind of giving me Janelle Monáe type of vibes, just a little bit. Like if you squint your right eye, just a little bit, right? All right, the next style, of course, I got to do that. You know, I think it's a little bit of a rocker chick inside of me. I let the front out and it gives me rock girl. I do a rock girl style all the time. Rockers! I'm not really one of those, but I like to act like I am. I am going to now show you styles with the kinky straight. All right, so I adjusted my cap. All right, got the straight hair on, and I'm going to keep it simple for the first look. It's going to be a low bun, but it's going to be swooped to the side. So it can give you, I'm about to run errands type of look. I'm a soccer mom type of look. And yeah, I like to make my scarf go backwards and the bow goes to the back. For some reason, I don't like it in the front. It looks weird in the front. If you're not a low bun type of chick, take that stuff to the top, all the way up. And you got your fun ponytail, okay? I'm running a marathon. Boom, period. She's having too much fun with it. Girl, who you calling? You ain't calling nobody. All right, continue with the straight hair. Of course, I gotta do the top knot, but I'm gonna take my ponytail holder out. I'm using the puff cup because those combs and the puff cup, let me tell you, it can keep stuff very secure. You see how I put the ends? I tucked it under. I put it inside the combs. I don't need nothing else. No bobby pins, no nothing. It's in place. So this is your loose, puffy bun. Of course, with the straight hair, you got to do the top knot. I could have did with the curly hair too, but I like the straight hair look, the messy top knot. And keeping up with the top knot type of feel, I'm going to twist it up and do a messy twisted top knot. And y'all, these are all the looks I was able to come up with. So many options you can rock for your Christmas party. Now, which one will I go with? Of course, I went with the little teacher look. Don't mind me, y'all. This look just makes me, I guess it's the ponytail. It just makes me feel like, Valley Girl, Clueless days. I'm running a multi-million-dollar a billion-dollar business, like, and then the red lippy and the glasses. Oh my gosh. What? How many hairstyles I got? 10 in 1 units is very, very, very fun, actually. It was pretty fun to come up with these different styles on the spot. Okay, darling, so whatever you want it to be, it can be, okay? You can have your multi-billion-dollar look right here or any of these looks right here.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. One, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got a big lit incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. I
hope you liked today's video, y'all. So this brings me to today's Napchat question. Today's question is more of a content question for moi. Hope you don't mind. I absolutely love everything hair, whether it's my own hair or it's wig units like this, okay? To those who love to use extension for protective styling or just styling period, I wanna know what kind of content you wanna see from me in that type of area. Do you like seeing versatile wig units like this one? Do you like seeing the typical lace wig, lace closure wig, full lace wig? Are you a clip-in type of natural, okay? Let me know in the comment box below, and also let me know some topics or some questions you would love to see answered when it comes to wig extensions. Trust me, your response will definitely help another natural out. The natural is me. Okay, I'm just saying, help a sister out with the content. I'm just saying. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, remember my sister, my cousin, my friends, Team Kinks. I said, Team Kinks, okay? All right, okay? In order to have natural hair, you got to do healthy things. NappyFu checking out. Deuces. Excuse me, hi, yeah. Wanted to know from you, is there a reason why the subscription button is the same color as my lips? It's red, I don't know why. It should be gray. Don't mind me, y'all. But if you are here, if you are still here watching me, I think it's safe to say we might be vibing here, and I want to keep the party going, okay? So watch some more videos, and also go ahead and subscribe and join Team Kinks. Don't forget that bell so you're notified when I'm back on the screen again, okay? Don't mind me. I'm just really liking this. It's something about a ponytail that just makes you act out. You know what I'm saying?